President Mnangagwa's 2023 manifesto promised a new era for Zimbabwe with ambitious goals to propel the nation to upper middle income status by 2030. Sanabena Mashkobran Wachin's President Mnangagwa's broken promise. View number 3 contradicts 2023 campaign manifesto. It was subscribed or like out on the bell icon. Wakumi Chamudanya Chiti. However, his administration's recent actions suggest a stark departure from these promises. Amendment View number 3, aimed at extending presidential term limits, contradicts the spirit of engage and re-engage, and undermines the country's democratic progress. It also violates the core values of the Liberation War, which is one man, one vote. The BOC pushes, reportedly, Mnangagwa's inner circle, including Siambi who lost primary elections twice, seem more focused on power retention than fulfilling campaign promises. The move risks isolating Zimbabwe from key international partners, including the commercial world, the Commonwealth, and EU, crucial for economic growth and development. Mnangagwa's 2023 manifesto also pledged to equip hospitals with essential medicines, but reports indicate a persistent shortage. Instead of addressing this, his government prioritizes power extension, betraying the trust of Zimbabweans. The president's mantra of engage and re-engage demands consistency, extending term limits, and ignoring health crises, poor salaries for civil servants, war veterans and pensioners, and the skyrocketing cost of almost everything send mixed signals. For President Mnangagwa to achieve his vision, he must follow the current constitution and prioritize the people's needs over self-serving interest. The clock is ticking. Zimbabweans demand action, not empty promises. President Mnangagwa also promised to be better than Mugabe, but RG accepted 2 referendums. In this critical time, we thought President Mnangagwa would order this amendment bill to go through a referendum, but to our surprise, he is quiet, and only his vice president, General Chonge, is pushing for a referendum, allowing people to speak their minds. In the comment section, meduza fungura emo tulipa msiripe chitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.